everybody. Welcome back. I don't want to always be generic, right? Welcome back to my channel, but welcome back. So this right here is a piece that I'm working on. You know, hit that subscribe button because I'm just going to take you along the journey with me. I'm just going to do little videos and show each part. So at the end of the video, stay tuned too, because I will put my video where I fast forwarded how I did this part with the chips. So like I was saying, I did paint this ahead of time. I did my outline first. So I was actually at work. I'll show you my little outline here. Here's my outline. So I put in where I'm going to be putting the crystals, the X's here, and my different colors. And I also put questions like, okay, glitter under stones. Should I put the glitter under the stones? I know I want to do at least 3 layers, and I'm going to blend my white silver right here. And lay small quartz outline and gold glitter. So these are the questions I had while I was doing my my little outline. So I put, you can see down here where I did my outline. So this is where the resin is going to be going, you know, crystals here, here, and here. So first I want to start with, you know, I like this set right here, this colorberry set. So I got a couple sets here. I have the Stardust set right here. And it's good to look at these ahead of time to see what you want to mix in with your resin. So this one's a good one. Something that's going to give it that's going to make it stand out. Look how pretty that is. So again, this one's the Stardust set. So I know I'm going to be using that one. This one here is really pretty. This almost reminds me of the Diamond Dust. This is the Diamond Dust by oh my gosh, it went out this Stone Coat countertops. So this goes a long way, believe me. Be careful putting it in because it can take over whatever you have. And I'm thinking if I have something around here. So I used the Diamond Dust in this piece right here, and I don't know if you can see, but when I first initially had to put another layer over it because it just took over the piece completely. But it's still very pretty, but you can see it all in there. It took over completely. So that almost looks like that. So be careful using it. I think I will use it. I'll mix it in with the resin there to see how it works. This one I like as well, but you know, you guys let me know. Look, this one has pink in it. So this piece is supposed to be gold, white, and silver. So the gold really for me is going to be the outline here. Like I'm going to have gold here. I'm probably going to have gold glitter, but most of the resin that's going to be in it is going to be the white and the gray. So I'm not sure if the pink will go with that. You guys let me know. Here's the Magic set, which is really pretty too. Look at these. I love these colors. This one's nice. Again, I might use this one. I don't know. Because it has that let me open it up. It has a little pink in it, so. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty though. Look at that. So this one has like pink and blue. That's really pretty. So these are the ones that I'm kind of thinking of still, of which ones I'm gonna add in. There's also a mineral set right here that I got as well. Not sure, I'm not going to use any of these colors. Maybe I might use this one. Let's see. Let's open this one up and see what kind of gray we can get out of here. Trying not to get it to go everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I think definitely I'll be using this one. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and look at the glitter in it. Oh, that looks really pretty. I'm definitely gonna be doing this one. Yes. This one's a brown. It's a little bit black. I don't think I want black in there. Let's open this one. So each one of them, as they come in the set, doesn't have a name. It just says the set, which that kind of bums me out because I would love to know the name of it. Look how pretty this one is. Oh, wow. Oh yes, definitely. Let's compare them. Yeah, you can see how this one's a little bit darker. So yes, this one I'll probably use. I can't remember which top is this. I think it's that one. Okay, this one. Okay, so it's nice doing this because you could take time to look at your colors and figure out, you know, what you're going to use depending on what, you know, your client wants the colors. So we got those. I am going to be filling in here. I'm going to be using the fire glass. This is 1/4, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, it's 1/4. So again, I don't know if I'm just going to go ahead and set glitter down first, and then I'll set my fire glass on here, and then I'll use my clear quartz crushed chips to fill in any spots that I have. So that's going to give me a nice base. And as I keep going through, again, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing this step by step. And as I go through, I'll probably keep adding the layer on just to see, you know, till I get comfortable where I am. This right here, this beautiful quartz, I got this in Colombia, Bogota. And look how beautiful. And I really, really want to incorporate it on this, but I don't know where yet. I think I'm going to have to lay the resin down first and see. I just don't know. Or maybe you guys let me know too. Let me know your thoughts. Or maybe something like this, like right here maybe. And then I can lay all the crystals around it, you know. We'll see. I don't know. I really like that. Now, to top it off, you are going to need, this right here is diamond dust, or like they say, this one here is the shard glitter glass, which is so pretty. This gives you that oomph when you're done putting all your crystals down. I don't know if you can see this. You see how it shines like that? So that's what you want when, you know, this is hanging up on the wall. When people look at different angles, this is what you want to see. You want to see that glimmer. It's just beautiful. So I have these two, this one and this one. And I think these are pretty much the same, except this one, these are way tinier. So it just depends. And this you have to be very careful with. I mean, I put a lot, but I do it with my flood coat. So I put a drizzle it on, and I just kind of put the resin, you drizzle the resin on, and then you kind of just lay this. And it's gonna look amazing. I think I have a piece here. I'll show you real quick. And hopefully can pick it up. So I did this one. I don't know if you can see it in, there you go. I think you can see it right there. So the little shimmer. This one I didn't put a lot on it. I still need to do a flood coat on it, but you kind of get the gist of it. And I think if I put glitter underneath, it would just pop it out a little bit more, but this one's really pretty. These are the colors I'm going to be using for the resin, and I might use different glitter too. This right here, I have it on here because I'm still not sure. Shiny Stones is called. So here what they look like. I don't know if I'll lay them down. You know, definitely, you know, it's a process, and as you're working on them, you change things and you add things, and you're like, okay, this is what's gonna go here, or let me change this, I'm not sure. So this is why I have it out, so I can see it. And what happens is when I start, I'll have all this stuff near me where I can go through everything. Again, I'm gonna put it on video, so please subscribe, follow me to see how this comes out. I'm so excited to get it started. Stay tuned, I'm gonna add the video on when I was putting the crystals down. Again, I just used a glue gun. I went over the lines that I had already. Hope this is helping. See you guys later, talk to you soon, bye.